guys, what's up? My name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan asked me to go over another week of earnings, so that's what I'm here doing. But before I get into this video, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up. That would help us out so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. Now, let's go ahead and go over my earnings. I didn't work a lot in July, so I'm going back to June and we're gonna go over the whole week. I'm gonna go day by day, how many hours I worked and how much I made. So let's get into this video. So on this particular week, I made a total of $509 working 26 hours. So on Monday, let's go ahead and start off on Monday, I made a total of $6.72. I worked for 42 minutes on that day. I must have not have been feeling driving. Obviously I didn't continue after that, so didn't work much at all. So I'm gonna be rounding up how many hours I worked and rounding out how much I made. So basically for that day I made $7 for that 1 hour that I worked. Okay, so going on to Tuesday, I made $59.47 and I worked 2 hours and 46 minutes. So let's round it out to 60 divided by 3. I made $20 an hour on Tuesday. Wednesday, I made a total of $70.88 working 3 hours and 45 minutes. So that brings me to, if I round it to $71 divided by 4, that's like $17.75 an hour. On Thursday, I made $137.48 working 5 hours and 15 minutes. My hourly rate came out to $27 an hour. That was a good day. Friday, I made $116.99 working 7 hours and 39 minutes. My hourly rate came out to $15 an hour that day. Saturday, made $113.40 working 5 hours and 41 minutes. My hourly rate is $18 on Saturday. Sunday I did not work, so I did not make anything. So for the whole week I had made $509 working 26 hours, and that brings me to about $19.50 to $20 an hour for the entire week. So all I can really say is the more you work, the more you will earn, obviously, and then your rate will fluctuate. But in Los Angeles, here in Los Angeles, I make roughly about $20 an hour. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out. I don't really have any tips for you for this particular video. All I can say is in Los Angeles, work during the peak hours, start early, drive often. Personally, I drive part-time and I only try to drive anywhere between 4 to 6 hours a day. So that's why I only make around $500 a week. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Bye.